How come my shit just can't rumble like that? My shit missing.
So y'all, we're back in the shop.
Yo.
We got some new tires for the Suburban. I have some 115 S's on here. The truck's a 3/4 ton. It really needs a load range E. The weight on these tires is supposed to be around 3,000 pounds a piece, but with 40 pounds in them, they look like they're flat. The camera's not catching it how I see it, because it's a fisheye lens, but with 44 pounds of pressure in these tires, they look like I need to add another 20 pounds to them. The door sticker on the truck says it requires 80. Well, that's a load range E tire. So these tires are pretty much at their limit as this 3/4 ton Suburban sits here. So what we're gonna do is go ahead and I got a new set of tires. These are some 265 60s. Those are 275 60s. So they're about 1/4 inch shorter in height. And I got a matching spare tire from United Tire. All these came from United Tire on eBay. Shout out to them. They did a really good price for me and got them to the house super quick. So this is a 285 75 16. My spare tire is a 16. Well, this is a 265 60 20. This is the new tire height. Both of these tires are the same height. So in the case I get a flat, my rear diff isn't going to try to lock out on me. When I caught the flat in Florida on the side of the interstate, my 33 on one side and 30.5 on the other side was trying to make my rear end lock in. And I couldn't get back on the interstate because the shorter tire wanted to spin slower than the taller tire. So to fix that, I went in the grass, did a burnout, got the rear end to unlock, and with my foot to the floor, got back on the interstate with an open diff. Scared the crap out of my wife and my little sister-in-law, but we got to where we were going and then ended up buying one more tire from Firestone to go with the other three. That's all I could do at the time. We were on vacation. So these are for sale. Barely got any use on them. The truck won't do a burnout because of torque management that I can't turn off yet. I explained that in another video. But here's the new set. 4 load range E Bridgestone dueler highway tires. 1 Nitto grappler. It was 50 bucks. Check out United Tire on eBay. Great tire prices. And I want to say I got the whole set with tax and everything for around 700 bucks. So we're gonna go ahead and put these on. Check it out. It's oiled and shit.
Ready?
Yep. Here's the problem you run into with 2 different size tires. This makes the gear ratio different from this one mechanically, and makes the locker one to lock in. So fixing that problem, just put a taller tire on the spare just in case one of these happens to go down and I'm on the highway. It is.
Woo!
There it is.
Sorry.
We're swapping the tires around. We're getting the right rims on the right tires for the Suburban, so it'll sit right now. It's just gonna be a goof off video. What's happening over here? The rim too small?
Rim's too big.
Rim's too big.
It's a wide rim.
Yeah, I mean, you fucking empty.
So we're gonna have to pump them. Yeah, we're gonna
I
pump
put the
them.
valves in already.
Right.
What I need is one of those.
Here. The birthday's still not here yet.
But it's still not here. I think we're just gonna have a pretty buying one. Well, it's got the wide thing you stick in the beat of the rim. With, whoop.
All right, quick trip to the freight harbor.
You gotta get picked. Close.
And they got that sign backwards.
What?
That sign's backwards. What you think?
That's the freight harbor.
I don't know Harbor Freight. I know Freight Harbor.
I just want to stop. He does stop. He passes over here a lot. Oh,
Shit, baller. That's because of your tire spurs back in the day.
Ball of putting in work.
Ultraman.
Yeah, squirt bottle, Danny.
No, they're all gotta eat up with type 4 half.
What about that Windex bottle? Let's just put some Windex on that shit.
Hey, Windex is slippery enough.
Windex. Yeah, that's easy.
So, fire dragon breathing on me today.
Right.
Bitch. You get it?
Most of it. Yeah.
Air it up the rest of the way.
Yeah, I guess most of it. Caught my ear.
Hit me, it's snow.
Oh yeah.
Hell yeah, this is awesome. $150. Elbow.
Oh yeah. And this dude chilling everywhere.
Right, you gotta get him chilling.
Oh yeah. Hey, you hear him all the time during like late evening or before it rains. All you hear is
3 left. Just 2 left.
The steel one went on easily. How about that brake stool, bro?
brake stool.
It's
Pop.
nice little toy,
Ain't too bad.
Man, hope you hear.
Who's leg ball? Give me that, bro.
That messed the feet doing.
Who's leg ball?
Ooh.
Who's leg?
First tire balanced. You already know.
Snake eyes. You got them all balanced. Time to wash and put them on.
Alright.
All the tires are all lined up. We're gonna go ahead and rinse them down. We gotta clean them up, get all the dust off of them for balancing.
All right, crank it up, kid. It's got like 3.5 inches before it hits the disc. Tighten it up a little bit more. There you go. That's it. Good. Done. All right, let's go wash them wheels up.
All right.
Put the impact on one so it doesn't over torque anything. Crisscross pattern. That's it. Easy enough. Pop, lock, and drop. Steady truck. Water tires look better. They actually air it up on the ground. They don't look flat just sitting there.
Yeah.
It's gonna ride better too. It ain't gonna ride like it's on a sponge. No. Good.
Man, it's a whole car meet here.
I'm also building an 01 Silverado Pre-Runner. If you haven't realized this, if you like the GMT 800s, you've stumbled across the right channel, because we got a 2000, a 2001, a 2005, a 2006, and there's going to be more after that. It's, in my opinion, it's the best one they ever made. So it's right before the electronics got really stupid, but still easy to work on.
So hit that follow button, like, subscribe. Stay tuned.
Do all the stuff. Appreciate you. We're gonna do a long upload every Friday and do some shorts here and there in the middle of the week. I got lots of cruising the coast footage on a playlist. Just go to my channel and check out the playlist and get caught up, y'all. Appreciate it.
Button, like and subscribe. Catch y'all next week.